The National Democratic Alliance is making its way to victory in Bihar Assembly elections against Mahagathbandhan or Grand Alliance. The NDA has won 125 out of 243 seats, while the opposition has won only 110. If Nitish Kumar is going to be the Chief Minister candidate in the elected NDA government, then he would be following the footsteps of the first ever Bihar Chief Minister, Dr. Sri Krishna Singh, to enter the fourth consecutive term. The Lok Janshakti Party had the candidate Chirag Paswan participate in the elections right after a month after his father Ram Vilas Paswan's demise. The party faced one of the worst performances since its formation. It won only one of 137 seats it contested in. The party's candidates made it very clear that their main motive is to ruin the JDU's reputation in Bihar, and they did make it possible. They made JDU to lose more than 75 seats. Many political observers in Bihar even mentioned that after his father's demise, Chirag Paswan has the possibility to take over the government only with the help of BJP. The former OBC Commission member Jagnarayan Singh has mentioned that the silent support from extremely backward community people and few women voters has helped NDA to win. Even though several experts have mentioned that the government has no idea on how to rule the state as well as their slipping COVID management, the Nitish Kumar government was able to sway in lot of village voters by bringing power to them and making it easily possible for accessing the other parts of the state by building infrastructures. In 2010 Bihar Assembly elections, the NDA took charge with 210 out of 243 seats. In that, the JDU was solely responsible for bringing in around 115 seats, whereas in the year of 2020, the JDU had a very bad year. Yet the BJP government has to play it very safe. The tables might turn. The JDU, LJP, Congress and the other left parties can come together and form a government because they have the right majority vote. One of the JDU candidate has mentioned that the BJP can never hurt Nitish Kumar. They have mentioned that BJP is just a junior partner of the Bihar elections and Nitish Kumar is the face of the election. BJP sources have even mentioned that even though Nitish Kumar is going to be the face of the government, the National Party will have a say. Once Nitish Kumar retires from his political career, the BJP government won't have anyone to compete other than the Rashtriya Janata Dal Party. In spite of Lalu Prasad Yadav's conviction since 2018, Tejasvi Yadav, his son, made it to the party and contested against the NDA. Tejasvi attended 251 meetings and promised 10 lakh jobs once he is elected. Over the last 4 assembly elections, the Bihar has proved that the third party will always be the loser when two diverse parties comes together.